Hey Pearland, pre-AP Comp Sci class. I have 4 classes in this year, and I wanted to give you just a quick rundown of what's going on in Canvas. Have a little bit of a welcome here that tells you a little bit about the sequence of the course. I need you to check that out. Tells you all the things we're going to cover during the year. We're going to start with Scratch, then we're going to be doing an online Python system, and following the second semester will be Java. We have a complete new online system for doing all of your coding after the first segment of Scratch, and we're looking forward to using those new tools in this class. So this will serve as your introduction video, so we don't need to talk about that, but this is your Canvas environment. It's not been published yet. We're still kind of working on it. Make sure Dawson and I are aligned for all of our classes, along with Turner. I have a discussion board. I want you guys to get involved in asking questions, talking to each other, sharing ideas. Don't share all the answers, but if somebody has a simple answer and you can guide them towards a solution, go ahead and help them out. Don't be afraid. Let's start using the medium we've been provided, since a good portion of the classes are going to be remote anyway. So in the first week of Scratch, we're going to give you some terminology. We'll have a PowerPoint, and I think I have a handout for you as well. Of course, that'll be a PDF, and I'm trying to find time to record the PowerPoint as a voiceover for you, but otherwise I'll give you the PowerPoint. And I'm going to have you sign up for Scratch Classroom, and that's going to be a document that looks pretty much like this. And pay close attention to what period of class you're in, because you all will sign up for via a different link to make sure you're aligned with the right classroom. And that's going to take you out to scratch.mit.edu, and that website looks a lot like what you see here. And so you're going to end up having an account that you can submit your work right to me through the studio. And you're going to go to create, and you're going to create your lessons. And in the first week after we go into create, you're going to go to tutorials, and you're going to complete all 25 of these tutorials, just a few a day. And once you get those completed, we're going to ask you to tell us which ones you complete each day. Now, you can blow it off and not do it and really cheat yourself. These are fun. Couple little minutes of a video, show you some sample code, get in there, do the coding. It's going to make the next 6 weeks a whole lot easier if you know how to use these tests and tools that are explained in the tutorial modules. So don't cheat on me, don't cheat yourself. More importantly, these tutorials are going to be fun, and you're going to learn a lot. And while you're doing them, go ahead and experiment a little bit. They kind of build on each other in some ways and give you some ideas of things you can do that make them even more fun and more useful. And then near the end of the 6 weeks, we're going to have a project where you guys can really show what's cool and what you can do with the software. So get into it, have fun, be creative, read what I've posted. I write up each of these lessons. Make sure you read what I write up. There's a reason for it. And so initially this is going to be it. After this, I'm going to be giving you some scripted lessons of how to build Scratch projects, and we're going to do Scratch math as well. So second 9 weeks, we'll be moving on to Python through a new online system, and we will get into that when it's time. Anyway, have a great start of the year. I look forward to seeing you in class or seeing you through Teams. Be sure you join my Teams classroom. You should all have the link in your student area, and talk to you soon. Thanks.